In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks and activities using Pipedrive. It's a powerful tool for organizing your workflow and keeping track of what needs to be done. And by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate and use the features to optimize your productivity. Let's begin by heading over to Pipedrive's website. Open up your favorite browser and type in pipedrive.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it, which will direct you to the login page. To access your account, you'll need to enter your email and password, so type those in carefully. Always make sure your password is secure to protect your account. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and hit the login button again. This will take you into your Pipedrive dashboard. From the dashboard, let's navigate to the Activities section. You can do this by looking at the menu bar where you'll find an option titled Activities. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the page where you can manage your tasks and activities. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all your ongoing tasks and activities. It's super helpful to manage them here so nothing falls through the cracks. You'll notice there's an option to open details in full screen if you need a more expansive view of what's happening. Feel free to do that by clicking the appropriate button. One of the powerful features available is the meeting scheduler. You can manage your meetings easily by clicking on the meeting scheduler option. Go ahead and explore the meeting details by selecting continue to meeting details. This step is crucial if you need to make any edits before confirming the meeting details. Once satisfied, select continue once with edits, then you can click done to finalize everything. If you need to focus on individual contacts, go back to your list and click on a contact. Doing so will allow you to perform specific actions for that contact. You can schedule a new activity by choosing the option to schedule an activity. Set it up according to the timelines and reminders that work best for you. Make sure you click save to ensure all the new settings take effect and that nothing gets lost. For daily management, Pipedrive allows you to filter activities. If you want to check for overdue tasks, simply click on overdue. Similarly, for tasks due today, select today to keep your priorities clear and actionable. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your tasks and activities using Pipedrive. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and implementing these steps will surely keep you organized and on top of your workflow. Remember, the key to productivity is consistent management and keeping track of your tasks daily. Thanks for watching and happy